Today I'm going to talk about 7 game-changing mistakes personal injury law firms make in their ads. Running ads for a personal injury law firm can be bring in high-quality leads only if it done correctly. Unfortunately, many firms waste money on ineffective ads due to some key mistakes. Here's a breakdown of the most common mistakes along with the solutions to improve campaign's performance and generate more leads. Let's talk about the first point. Treating ads like a one-time campaign instead of a dynamic strategy. The mistakes that many law firms made is that many law firms treat their ads like a quick sprint instead of a long-distance marathon. They launch a campaign, sit back and hope for the best, assuming what worked the last month will work forever. Spoiler: for example, a firm runs generic personal injury ad for 6 months straight without tweaking it based on its result or market changes. Meanwhile, their competitors are optimizing their ads weekly, adopting to new keywords and client needs. Think of your ads living, breathing entity. Performance weekly, adjust your keywords and adapt your messaging based on what's working and what's not. If you see more slip and fall cases in the winter, pivot your ads to focusing on that. Stay flexible and your campaign will always stay ahead of the curve. Sending users to a general homepage instead of a specific landing page. Okay, this is the crucial one. The mistake. Sending users to a homepage after they click on ad is like inviting someone to a 5-star restaurant and handing them a grocery list. They'll get confused, frustrated and probably leave without placing an order. Example: someone clicks on your Google ads and for car accident claims and land on homepage filled with general information about your firm. There's no clear direction on mention of car accident. The visitors leave because they don't want to play detective on your site, costing you a potential lead. Fix: always create a dedicated page for each campaign. If your ad is specific about car accident claims, the landing page should focus on that topic with easy to find client testimonials, case results and strong to call to action like schedule a free consultation call. It's like serving the perfect dish without making guess the ingredients. The problem with many new firms nowadays is that they just don't know the difference between the landing page and a website. A website is something that has the information about your law firms, how many years your law firms has been run for. Landing page is a dedicated page where potential clients are supposed to take some action. So you have to optimize the page accordingly. Let's suppose you are running campaign for car accident cases. So your landing page should all about the car accident, how you help them in order to get the best compensation for their incident, for their tragic incident. If that landing page is something where a user is supposed to take some action, put in their email address, phone number or any contact number. Your landing page is not something website. A website is something where you put every information about your firm, about any legal information, about anything. A landing page is a dedicated page where you're supposed to make so that user must take action and call. That's how you're gonna get the high intent leads. So keep that in mind. Pro tip: the more specific your landing page, the more likely your visitor to stay and convert. Make it easy, make it focus and make it about her. Third point: ignoring the power of local searching. These mistakes has been done by many law firms. Running ad across a broad geographic area may sound like you are casting wider net, but in reality you are just throwing money out of the window. Personal injury law is a local game. People want help nearby, not across the country. Example: a law firm based in Houston run ads nationwide, spending tons of cashes on clicks from people in cities and they don't serve. Those leads won't convert. They've wasted their ads. The fix: what happened is that many law firms didn't aware about how to run ads. There are phases called broad match, exact match and phrase match. They generally use the keywords like personal injury law, and let's suppose the law firm is in the Houston, Texas. They run ad, and since they use the broad match, their ads are actually running on the Los Angeles too. So chances are the guy from the Los Angeles might see your ad, might call you. So you are getting the irrelevant calls. These are not a well optimized ad. So avoid these mistakes. You need to focus on your geological area. If your law firm exists in Houston, run ads according to your state. What is happening in your states? What kind of incidents are happening more often? Is it the slip and fall cases? Is it the car accident cases? Is it the truck accident cases? Use keywords like best car accident attorney near me, best car accident attorneys in Houston, slip and fall attorney in Houston, slip and fall attorney near me. These kind of just cannot put a keyword like broad match for like personal injury law attorney. That's not the highly optimized way. So please just keep that in mind. I'm gonna make a separate video regarding that, how you can run your Google ad campaign in a very highly optimized way. So don't worry about it. Just listen to these kind of points which I'm mentioning. These are really crucial and gonna give you really good results. If you're gonna skip all these kind of points, chances are you're gonna waste a lot of your money and things are really not going really. So please keep that in. Fourth point: overlooking mobile optimization. The mistakes: let's suppose that you have run the Google ads in a very optimized way. You have make your landing page in a very optimized optimized way, everything is in a really optimized, but you overlook a very common perspective, your mobile. Yes, exactly. Ignoring mobile optimization is like building a beautiful office but looking the front door most people can't get. If your ads and landing page aren't mobile friendly, you are missing out a very massive audience. In fact, more than half of web traffic comes from the mobile devices these days. Example, a potential client searches for personal injury lawyer on the and clicks on your ad, only to find a clunky, slow loading website where the buttons are too small to tap. They quickly exit and you've lost a lead. That's a really crucial. You optimize your landing page for the desktop purpose, but you didn't optimize your landing page accordingly to the mobile perspective, then you're gonna lose a ton of leads. For example, let's suppose that I'm in Houston. I unfortunately got in an incident of a car accident. I just thought, okay, that what should I do? Then someone, I just in a very rush and just take out my phone and searching best car accident lawyer near me, and I click on your Google. And when I see that your information is not really very suitable for me, I just gonna skip. There are no proper buttons where to put my information. I know those informations that when you open on the desktop it look really optimized, but it's not mobile optimized. Then it's a really big. You have to make optimized for your PC also and for the mobile also. So please keep that in. Your landing page should load quickly, have large tappable buttons, and offer a seamless browsing experience. Use mobile specific ad formats and test how your site looks like and perform on different mobile devices. Think about the speed and simplicity that mobile users need, because if they can't easily navigate your site, they are gone. Definitely they are gone. I'm definitely gonna switch over other law firm who has actually optimized their landing page, where I can really find the information that they are saying that okay, call us now, need a free consultation. They just optimize. I can see it really comfortably on my mobile. I'm just gonna call that. I'm just gonna skip you. So please keep that in mind. It's a really crucial point. Okay. Fifth point, relying on generic messaging instead of tapping into clients. Mistake that generally law firms make. Using generic ad copy is like trying to charm someone with the canned pickup lines. It's forgetting and unconvincing. Personal injury clients are dealing with real pain and frustration, so your ad need to reflect empathy, urgency, not just legal charge. Example, we handle all personal injury cases. Okay, but so do thousands of other firms. This doesn't specific fears of concern that potential clients have after the accident. Focus on client pain points. Speak to their emotions. Offer real solution. For example, injured in a car accident, we'll help you to get the compensation you deserve, so you can focus on healing. Tailor your ads to the emotional and financial stress of your clients are feeling, and you'll see more engagement. I've seen many ads that okay, our firm has run 500 cases in the past year. They are just bragging about their firm and just not talking about the what client actually really needs, pain point he's going through. These are really basic marketing strategy, but so you're gonna touch their emotional side. You're definitely gonna make them your potential client. So please, firm, think about your client, how you can help, what are the best offers that we can give to them, and how you can provide best services to them. So please keep that in mind. That is one of the most important. Okay. Sixth point, failing to use social proofs and trust builder. The mistake. No showcasing social proofs in your ads, like running for office without showing any endorsements. In personal injury law, trust is everything, and potential clients want to know you've helped us like them before. For example, a law firm run ads about how great they are, but doesn't include any client testimonials or case results. There's no evidence that real people have benefited from their services, leaving their ads less credible. For example, in your landing page, you have everything information. You have asked for your client's email address, mobile number, and any other thing else. But in your landing page, if you do not add anything about in a really optimized way, you do not add any testimonial or any Google reviews, chances are that client might gonna choose another law firm. And if that law firm has optimized all the things, not only the emotional side of the what client is going through, everything in the really optimized way. Their Google reviews are in a very passionate way, and they're in a very good way, and their testimonials are in a really optimized way. That's gonna engage your clients really well. See, there's a difference. They're adding testimonial and not bragging about your firm. You add testimonials, you build trust with your client. That's the really most important. Okay, so please, if you have any kind of social proofs, add it in your landing page. That's gonna give you a ton of clients. Whatever, it could be a Google review, it could be a small video, could be anything. Please put that in your landing pages in a very optimized way, and you're gonna get a ton of clients. Okay. Seventh point, neglecting remarketing campaigns. The mistake, letting potential clients slip through the cracks without running remarketing campaigns is like showing up to a trial and forgetting your closing argument. People rarely convert on their first visit, and failing to follow up means missing out on hot leads. Let's suppose that I visit your Google ads and I enter my information. You have the lead. It's just that the lead doesn't convert. So you didn't get any kind of inbound call, but you have that kind of lead. He's searching for a lawyer, but right now the lawyer, that person's situation does not met with your firm conditions. So that is a hot lead, but you cannot miss that lead, the one of the potential clients. If not today, chances are 1 month after, you're gonna contact you when you're gonna remind about them. How you gonna remind about them? By giving them a free value in your email marketing campaigns. Email marketing campaigns are the best remarketing campaigns, where you can personalize emails talking about any kind of situation that has been happened with your past clients and telling them about how you make them the best settlement and how you can get the best settlement for your case by giving them any ebook, whatever the situation, any kind of free value you provide to them. They're just gonna like, oh yeah, the loft is really kind of good. So these are really important points. You can run your Facebook ads, not targeting your only on high intent leads, but targeting also your hot leads, which are also your potential leads. So you can also run those kind of ads, just giving them a value that's actually gonna really good for your personal branding and for your revenues. So please keep these 7 points in mind. Avoiding these major mistakes can drastically improve the performance of your law firm's ad campaigns, from hyper-local targeting to mobile optimization and remarketing. These strategies are essential for standing out in a competitive market. By focusing on what truly matters, your client needs, seamless under experience, and trust building content, you'll not only generate more leads but also turn those leads into loans. So let me just tell you about myself. Hi, my name is Himanshu, the founder of LeadLex AI. I know that running highly effective ad campaign for personal injury law can be a time-consuming and complex process. But don't worry, that's where we come. At LeadLex AI, we specialize in running highly optimized Google ads and Facebook ads, specifically targeting your geographic area to generate high-quality leads for your law. Our team handles everything from creating tailored ad campaigns to delivering measurable results, so you can focus on what you do the best, helping your clients. If you're ready to take your lead generation to the next level with data-driven high conversion campaigns, in LeadLex AI, we help you to grow your firm with ease. Let's talk and see how we can build a custom strategy to bring in more clients for your firm. Thank you.